Today's lesson in mathematics will be looking at index notation, where we consider much on the base and the index as well. So we want to know the meaning of the word index and the word base. Okay? Yes. So now the word index, this one, it can be exponential or exponent. One, you can also call this word index as a power. And the way it comes in different numbers. The number which has got the power. Then that number which is on top, we are saying it is called an index or exponent. Or if it is not exponent, you say the power. It might be 3, it might be 2, it might be 4, it might be 1, it might be or 0. Okay?
Yes.
And if that number it is on top of the other number, it is called index or exponent or the power. So now, without wasting much of time, when we just give an example of this number, what number is this?
10.
It is 10, eh? And
Yes.
10 is a whole number, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, if 10 is a whole number, and then we put the power like this one, eh?
Yes.
2. This 2, it is called a power. Or if it is not a power, you say exponent. Or if not exponent, you say the index. Okay? So now the way it is like this, 10 to the power 2. Meaning the whole number, or this digit here, which is here, we say index notation. Okay? So now, index notation, it is written in short form, where the number, the base with a power, or the number having the power on top. Are we get? So now we are saying these two numbers which are here. We say 10. This one is it is called a base number. Are we together? It is called the what?
Base
A base number. Then the 2 which is here on top, 2. Two which is on top, it is called an index or exponent or the power. Are we there?
Yes.
And the reason why we have written this 10 to the power 2, this one, it is there to show us. This 2 is there to show us that how many times can this 10 multiplied by itself. Are we there? How many times can this 10, which is called the base, can be multiplied by itself? So meaning this number which is here, okay, if it is 2, if it is 5, whatever, then the base, it has to be multiplied by itself using the terms of the number which is on top, or you say the terms of the number which is called an index. Okay? Hope it is understood. Georgie? So now, in short, we are saying 2 or 10 to the power 2. You can also say 10 squared. Okay? You can also say 10 squared. Meaning, this 2 can also be read as a square. Are we together?
Yes.
Then if the number has got the power 3, that 3 can be called a 3/3, or you say the cube, right?
Yes.
Okay? You say the cube?
Cube.
The cube. If it is, you put 3 here, you say 10 cubed. Okay?
Yes.
But all in all these you say they are powers, right? Or index in mathematics, say index. Okay? So now, just to give an example on the 10 to the power 2, where I said that 2, which is called the power of an index, it is showing how many times this 10 is going to be multiplied by itself. So meaning if you write it here, you say 10 to the power 2 or 10 squared, right? Meaning this one you say 10 times 10. And what could be the answer here?
100.
It is 100. Okay? It is what?
100.
100. And then you don't have to forget. Okay? So now, any number which has got the power, then the base is going to be multiplied by itself, counting or equal to the power which has been written on top. Are we together? Then apart from that, other examiners, what they do, they may bring the question in an expanded form. They say 9 times 9 times 9 times 10 times 9, or maybe 5 times, right? Then they say, write that number, or let me just write it here. Say, and then they say, write this number in index notation. What could be the answer? John Johnson. What could be the answer?
9.
9
But the power 3.
to the power 3, or 9 cube. 9 cube, yeah? 9 to the power 3. So now this one, which is written the answer 9 to the power 3, it is called an index notation. Okay? Or sometimes the question can come in this way, saying, find what is the value of 3 to the power 4? Okay? What is the value of 3 to the power 4? Meaning, you are going to multiply, or this 3 is going to be multiplied by itself. How many times? 4 times. After multiplying by itself 4 times, then now you find the answer, the final solution. Okay? So now, 3 to the power 4. When you say, what would be the answer here? Yes, Buki?
12.
12. So let us do it together. 3 times 3?
9.
9. 9 times 3?
20. 27.
12 times 3? Come on! So this is where now we have a problem. Okay? 3 to the power 4. It does not mean you say 3 times 4. 3 times 4, of course, it is 12. Now, 3 to the power 4. So meaning this 3, it is going to be multiplied by itself 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you multiply 3 times 3 is what? 9. 9 times 3?
27.
27 times 3?
81.
Give me the answer.
81.
Come on.
81.
81. Are you sure it is 81?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
My patient. Is the correct answer? Barbara.
Yes.
how it is. Are we together? So most of you kids, you think that when you say the value of this number, then you say 3 times 5, which is 15. That is wrong. The number with a power, this is the base, this is the what index or exponent. Right? Exponent, it means showing you that this 5, it is going to be multiplied by itself. How many times? 3 times. You say 5 times 5 times 5. Okay?
Yes.
Not 5 times 3. That is wrong. Okay?
Yes.
Any question? Any question?
No.
Should I give you a simple exercise?
Yes.
Okay. Try this. Try this.
What?
Okay. So this is how it is, right?